हाय फ्रेंड्स, आपने शायद अब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लिया होगा। हमारे वीडियो रेगुलरली पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें ताकि आप तक हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले पहुंचे। आज हम एक और टॉपिक सीखने जा रहे हैं। ओके, जैसे हमने कल किया था हाउ टू प्रिपेयर रिवोल्यूशन अकाउंट एंड हाउ टू राइट जर्नल एंट्री एट अ टाइम ऑफ रिकंस्ट्रक्शन। ओके, लेट्स सी now question number 11. Okay, first of all just try to prepare a revaluation account. Particular amount, particular amount. So trade balance. Now trade balance. Now first exercise is that okay, in revaluation account only adjustment entries are recorded. So directly we are moved to the first adjustment. The first adjustment is that the value of land and building is to be increased by 20%. The value of land and building is to be increased by 20%. Look at the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, land and building is given 1 lakh. Okay. In balance sheet, land and building is given 1 lakh. Now the adjustment is there. The value of land and building is increased by 25%. To 1 lakh into 25%. That means 25,000. The value of land and building is increased. If the value of asset is increased, it's a profit for us. Profit we are recorded which side? Credit side. So this entry we are recorded which side? Credit side. What we write here? We write here land and building. And amount should be 25,000. Is it clear? Now next exercise is there. A value of furniture is to be reduced by 10%. A value of furniture is to be reduced by 10%. Look at the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, furniture is given 30,000. Furniture is given 30,000. A value of furniture is reduced by 10%. So 30,000 into 10%, that means 3,000. The value of furniture is reduced, means it's a loss for us. Loss we are recorded which side? Debit side. So debit side right here, furniture. How much? 3,000. 30,000 का 10%. 10% of 30,000, that means 3,000. It's a loss for us. That's why we are recorded which side? Debit side. Okay. Now next, third adjustment is that the value of machine is to be kept 80%. A value of machinery is to be kept 80%. That means 20% reduced. A value of machinery is reduced by 20%. Look at the machinery. Machinery is given 50,000 in your balance sheet. Is it? Value of machinery is given in your balance sheet 50,000. And adjustment is there. Machine is to be kept 80%. That means 20% कम करना है. तो 50,000 का 20% कितना होगा? 10,000. तो value of machine is reduced by 10,000. मशीन की वैल्यू कम हुई तो क्या हुआ? लॉस हुआ. लॉस कहाँ लिखेंगे? डेबिट साइड. What we write here? We write here machine account. An amount should be at 10,000. 50,000 into 20%, that means 10,000. Okay, now next adjustment is there. A book value of stock, closing stock, is 5,000 more than its market value. A book value of closing stock is 5,000 more than its market value. तो ये कहाँ आएगा? है ना? Mostly you say that which side? Credit side. It's no. Okay. हम ये सेंटेंस समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. ये सेंटेंस क्या है? The value of closing stock. The book value of closing stock. मतलब बुक में जो closing stock दिया हुआ है वो बुक में closing stock कितना दिया हुआ है? 40,000. बुक में जो closing stock दिया हुआ है 40,000 का वो मार्केट से 5,000 ज्यादा है. मतलब बुक में ज्यादा दिया है. मतलब मार्केट में उसके लिए कितनी है? कम है. मार्केट में बुक में जो दिया हुआ है वो स्टॉक से मार्केट में जो स्टॉक है उसकी वैल्यू 5,000 कम है, बुक में ज्यादा दिया हुआ है, तो कम हो गई वैल्यू, स्टॉक की वैल्यू कम हो गई, कहाँ आएगा, डेबिट में आएगा। तो व्हाट वी राइट हियर स्टॉक अकाउंट, हाउ मच 5,000। फिर से देखते हैं एक बार, सेंटेंस क्या है, द बुक वैल्यू ऑफ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज 5,000 मोर देन इज मार्केट वैल्यू। बुक में जो स्टॉक लिखा हुआ है, जो मार्केट में जो वैल्यू है उससे 5,000 ज्यादा है, मतलब बुक में 5,000 ज्यादा है, बुक में ज्यादा है, हमको कम करना है, हमको कम करना है, लॉस होगा, लॉस होगा, कहाँ आएगा, डेबिट में आएगा, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट इज total amount of 2,500 is to be kept for bad debt reserve on debtors. On debtors, total bad debt reserve is to be maintained 2,500. Look at the balance sheet. In a balance sheet, debtors is given 25,000 minus bad debt reserve 1,000. In a balance sheet, bad debt reserve is given 1,000. Now, the total amount of bad debt reserve is 25,000 we are going to maintain. In adjustment, total bad debt reserve we have to maintain is 2,500. Out of that, 1,000 is already given in the balance sheet. Okay, so how much the value of bad debt reserve is increased? 1,500. So only 1,500 we are going to record it. Which side? Debit side. Why? Because bad debt reserve is increased. That means it's a loss for us. Loss we are recorded which side? Debit side. So what we write here? We write here bad debt reserve account, how much? Only 1,500 we are going to record it. Look at adjustment one more time. Total amount of 2,500 is to be kept for bad debt reserve debtors. Debtors पे total 2,500 bad debt reserve maintain करना है, 2,500 maintain करना है, उसमें से 1,000 is already given. That means additional 1,500 we have to maintain. Traditional amount we are going to record it in revaluation account. Is it? Okay. Now next adjustment is there. What's the next adjustment? Next adjustment is there. An amount of rupees 3,000 among the creditors is now not to be paid. An amount of rupees 3,000 among the creditors is now not to be paid. अब चुकाने नहीं है, तो कहाँ आएगा? Okay, very good. कहाँ आएगा? Credit side. So here we write creditors 3,000. Among the creditors of rupees 3,000 is now not to be paid. Creditors में से 3,000 चुकाने नहीं है, अब चुकाने नहीं है. It's a profit for us. That's why we are recording which side? Credit side. Creditors account rupees 3,000. Is it? Okay. Last adjustment 7. Interest on bank loan for the last 3 months is outstanding. Outstanding मतलब चुकाना बाकी है. Bank interest on bank loan for last 3 months is outstanding. Look at the balance sheet. In a balance sheet, bank loan is given 30,000. Is it? Bank loan is given in your balance sheet 30,000. Loan is given 12%. 12% bank loan. 12% is what? It's an interest rate. 12% bank loan means what? 12% is the interest rate of loan. Loan amount is 30,000. Interest rate is 12%. Okay, for how many month interest we are going to pay? 3 months. 3 month interest is outstanding. So this is the rate for your annual. We have to find out here 3 month. 23 divided by 12. So 30,000 is the principal amount. 12% is interest rate, 3 month. Okay, this rate is annually. That's why we are divided by 12. So amount should be 900. Is it? 30,000 into 12%. That means 3,600 into 3 divided by 12. That means 900. 900 bank loan interest is outstanding. Means 900 रुपया बैंक लोन इंटरेस्ट चुकाना बाकी है. चुकाना बाकी है, that means in future चुकाना पड़ेगा. चुकाना पड़ेगा मतलब it's a loss for us. Loss कहाँ आएगा? Debit side. So what we write here? We write here interest on bank loan account. How much? 900. Okay. Adjustment पूरे हो गए. Now we close this revaluation account. So total of credit side is 25 plus 3. That means 28,000. Okay. Now debit side total 3,000 plus 10,000, 13,000 plus 5,000, 18,000 plus 1,000, 19,500 plus 900. Now 20,400. So credit side total 28,000, debit side total 20,400. So profit should be 7,600, 7,600. Is it? It is called divisible profit. How much? 76,000. This divisible profit we are distributed among the partner. In which ratio? Old ratio. Okay, look at the partner's name. Partner's name is given here. Manju. Prabha. And Meena. Here we have three partners, Manju, Prabha and Meena. Here profit and loss ratio is given. Profit and loss ratio is given 5:3:2. Okay. So amount of 7,600 we are distributed among the Manju, Prabha and Meena in 5:3:2. Now how we can distribute? Yeah, 5, 3, 2. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10. Okay. So 7,600 into 5 divided by 10. So here 3,800. Here 7,600 into 3 divided by 10. So here 8, 27, 22, 2,280. And here 250, 1,520. So here Manju will get 3,800, Prabha will get 2,280 and Meena will get 1,520. Okay, so this is the reversal account. Okay, now we have move on to the next topic is journal. Journal entry. How to write a journal entry from the revaluation account. Okay, so here first section is there. First section में क्या था? A value of land and building is increased by 25%. तो land and building कहाँ लिखा है हमने? Credit side. तो क्या करेंगे उसको? Debit. तो here first generally should be land and building account debit to revaluation account, and amount should be 25,000. 25,000. Is it? Next adjustment is there. A value of furniture is to be reduced by 10%. Furniture. Which side we are going to record? Debit side. तो फर्नीचर क्या होगा? क्रेडिट होगा. तो यहाँ जनरली क्या आएगी? Revaluation account debit to furniture account, and amount should be 3,000. 3,000. Next one is a value of machine is to be kept 80%. Machinery. Which side we are going to record it? Debit side. So generally same. Generally should be revaluation account debit to machinery account. Okay, and amount should be 10,000. Next example is there. A book value of stock is 5,000 more than its market value. Stock, which side we are going to record it? Debit side. So here a journal should be revaluation account debit to stock account, and amount should be 5,000. Now next adjustment for bad debt reserve. Total amount of 2,500 is to be provided as a bad debt reserve on debtors. So bad debt reserve is here 1,500. So general should be revaluation account debit to bad debt reserve account, and amount should be 1,500 and 1,500. Now next one is for creditors. An amount of 3,000 is not to be paid to the creditors. Creditors, which side we are going to put it? Credit side. So general should be the creditors account debit to revaluation account. An amount should be 3,000. Okay. Next one is interest. An interest on bank overdraft for last 3 months is outstanding. Bank loan interest is 9,900. We are recorded which side? Debit side. So here a general should be interest on, a general should be revaluation account debit to interest on loan account. The amount should be 900. Okay. Now last entry for divisible profit. Partners मंजू, प्रभा एंड मीना डेबिट किया है तो क्या करेंगे, इसको क्रेडिट करेंगे. तो यहाँ जनरेट क्या आएगी? टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ रियल एस्टेट अकाउंट, एंड दिस शुड बी रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेबिट to partners name is Manju, to Manju's capital account, to Prabha's capital account, or to Meena's capital account. Here 7,600 profit. For Manju 3,800, for Prabha 2,280, for Meena is 1,520 rupees. Okay, so here general is finished. Okay, so this way we are going to prepare a revaluation account and journal entry. Okay, from tomorrow we start our new topic, how to prepare a balance sheet in a टाइम ऑफ रिकंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म. ओके, आज हमने रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट सीखा. कल हम आफ्टर रिवैल्यूएशन हाउ टू प्रिपेयर बैलेंस शीट उस पे डिस्कस करेंगे. एक चैप्टर में एक कल का जो लास्ट सेशन है, उसके बाद वी आर मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. ओके, इसको रिलेटेड अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जाइए और कमेंट करें, ताकि हम आपके डाउट को सॉल्व कर सके, आपको आंसर दे सके. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.